Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, sir.
Okay, good morning, everybody.
Morning,
sir.
Morning. Okay, before we start to study today, come on, let's stand up. Come on, everybody stand up.
Oh my God.
Come on, stand up.
No.
I think all of you are tired today because it's going to noon, so we have to move. Come on, move our hand. Okay, come on, make some crack on your neck. Come on. Okay. Do you feel good?
Fantastic.
Yes.
Okay. Fresh?
Press.
Okay,
Yes,
come on. Everybody sit down. Okay. Who is the leader? Come on. Ibu Eka. Come on, lead your friend to Ibu Eka. Come on. Lead your friend to pray.
Okay, friends, people. Yeah. Okay, friends, before we start our lesson today, let's we pray together and the prayer begins. Finish.
Okay, thank you, Eka.
Sir.
Next, let's check attendance list. Who is didn't come today? Everybody's here. Okay.
Yes,
Okay. Actually, today we are going to move on the next chapter because last meeting we have finished 5 chapter. Next, today we are going to continue our material. We are going to something around about 6 chapter. Okay, come on. Anybody know what we learned today?
Not yet.
Not yet. Okay, let me show you what we want to learn today. Okay, wait a minute. Okay. Okay. As I said before, that we are going to kick around about chapter 6. Okay. Today, our material, we want to explain or learn about there is or there are, how we use it in daily activities of talking to something or write something. Okay. Next. Okay, student. The goal achievement after we learn, there are 2 parts that you have to go read after learn this material. The first, mengidentifikasi fungsi sosial, struktur teks, dan unsur kebahasaan dari ungkapan memberi informasi terkait keberadaan orang, benda, dan binatang. Yang kedua adalah anak-anakku akan membuat teks baik secara lisan ataupun tulis pendek untuk mendeskripsikan keberadaan orang, benda, dan binatang. Oke. Jadi 2 tujuan ini akan kita capai dalam pembelajaran ini. Oke. Dian, can you read it for us? Come on, Dian. Are you here?
Yeah.
Come on. Can you read it for us?
Okay. What does he find on the road when he goes to school?
Okay. Next, I want to ask Dian. Dian, what does what do you find on the road when you go to school? Something.
Car.
Yeah. Oh, car. Okay.
Traffic light.
Traffic light. Okay. Just it.
Motorcycle.
Motorcycle. Okay,
Cycle.
Michael. Next, what is it? Another. What do you find when you go to school on the road?
The street.
What is Michael?
Zebra
The
cross.
street.
Zebra cross. Street. Okay. Okay. Do you find some trees when you go to school?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay. Next. Okay. Let's find it. Trees.
Trees.
Okay. Okay.
Bus. School
Bus.
bus.
Okay. Dian, you say car. Eh? Okay. What is it?
Some people who play
Yeah.
basketball.
Maybe some of your friends playing ball, other things. Next. Okay. This small thing. What is it?
A box.
Bugs, flies, and another insect. Yeah.
Flies. Flies.
Yeah, that's right. Next. What do you find?
Student.
Student. Your non friends. Okay. Next.
Duck.
Duck. Bird.
Butterfly.
Butterfly. That's right. It's, I mean. Ya. Jadi, benda-benda ini hanya contoh sebagian kecil. This picture just small example that what did you find when you go to school on the road. Next. Okay, let's identification about material there is and there are. Today, when we want to say something exists or doesn't exist, we say there is, there are, or there isn't, or there aren't. Okay. Next. Let's watch the video. Okay, everybody, let's watch the video.
There are 2 lions. Lions itu nak. Singa. Thank you. Good.
House.
House. There are 2 houses. Ini Pencil. Jawab itu. Correct. Make it full, make it full. No.
There is dinosaurs.
Okay, everybody. After you watch the video, can you identification how to distinguish how we use there is and there are? Adel, come on.
Bisa.
Okay, come on. Give me example. Take one things behind you.
Around me? Okay.
Yeah, okay, it's okay.
This is
Okay.
there is a mouse.
Mouse and
There is diffuser.
diffuser. Okay. How to use there are.
There are. Oh my God.
Okay.
Yes. There are 2 pens here.
Okay, it's okay. Give applause to Adam. How about
Thank you,
you,
sir.
Yun? Yun. Come on, Yun.
Yes, yes.
Take something around you. And
Okay.
show me how to say something. And there is and there are.
There is a body lotion.
Okay, there is a body lotion.
There are
There are
2 books.
2 books. Okay, give applause to you, Yun. Next, the last.
Me, sir. Me.
How about Olan?
Yes, sir.
Olan. I give a
Yes,
chance to Olan. Okay, take something around you, Olan.
Okay, there is a pen.
Okay, there is a pen. Next example.
There are some papers.
Some papers. That's right. Okay.
Okay. There is a
Me.
handphone.
Okay, student. I think all of you understand now how to use it. There is and there are. Make it. You want to show me something?
Yes. There is a
Okay.
pen. There is a
Yes.
pen, and there is a pencil.
Pencil. How about there are?
There are 2 books.
Okay, there are 2 books. That's right. Okay, give applause to May and Olan. Okay, my student. I want to ask you about the video. Is there any apple on the video?
Yes.
Yes. How many apple there?
For apple.
7.
7. That's right, May. How about animals? Can you mention it?
Rabbit.
Rabbit. Okay.
Dog.
Lion.
Dog. Lion. Okay, that's right. Uliani, no. Cat.
Cat. Dog.
Dog. Dragon.
Yes. There are 2 dragons.
There are 2 dragons. Okay.
Dinosaurus.
Is there any plant on the video?
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Yes, there is a
Uh,
plan.
It means that all of you watch it carefully and then identification what did you found on the video. Okay, next, I want to give you some example. For another example, how we say, okay. Ibu Eka, come on, can you read it? The text for me.
Yes, sir.
Okay, come on, read it.
There is a kid in the park.
Okay, Eka, I want to ask you something. Why we use there is? Why we don't use there are?
Because I don't know, sir.
I don't know. Okay, come on, everybody. Can you help me?
Mister, because just
Okay.
one person.
That's right, May. That was I mean. Eka, come on. Have you listened? Yeah. Okay,
Yes,
come on.
sir.
Next. Come on. Hasra, can you help me to read it?
Okay. There are 3 kids in the park.
Okay. Hasra, I want to ask you something. Why we are use there are? Why we don't use there is?
Because there are 3 kids in the picture.
Oh,
We use there is to a single person.
okay, that's right. It's correct. Everybody, I think everybody understand. Next, we move to the next example. Okay. Come on. Olan, can you read it?
There is a butterfly.
What is the meaning? Olan?
There is one butterfly.
Yeah, okay. The next, can you read it, Olan?
There are butterflies.
There are butterflies. Okay. Can you distinguish why we use there is and there are, Olan? Can you explain for us?
And because there is, why there is? Because only one butterfly.
Okay.
Because there are, why there are? Because there are 5 butterflies on the picture.
That's right. Okay. It means if the things are single, we use there is. Or if are something more than one, we use there are. Okay. Next. Okay. We use there is for singular noun for one item. Like, for example. Okay. Come on, Yuyun. What picture do you see on the first table?
A tree, sir.
Tree. Okay. How we say? There is or there are?
There is a tree.
Okay, there is a tree. How about Adele? In the third table?
There is a fly.
Okay. How about Noor? Noor?
There
Here.
is an egg.
There is an egg. Okay. Next. How about this? Okay. For noun, we use there is for uncountable noun. Okay. Come on. Arniati.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
There is cheese.
There is a cheese. Next. Ibu Dian, come on.
There is milk.
There is milk. Okay. Next.
Buang di tempat sampahnya.
Indah, come on. I think this is your favorite, Indah.
Yes, there is rice.
Rice. Okay. Okay, my student. Okay, for uncountable noun, we use there is, not there are. Okay. Next, we move to the next. There are. For example. Okay, Hasra, come on. Can you how to say it in English?
Yeah. There are flowers.
There are flowers. Next, Dian.
There are beds.
Okay, May.
There are students.
There are students. Okay. Next, we move. Okay. We use there is or there are when we want to say something exists or doesn't exist. Okay. Kita menggunakan kata there is dan there are ketika ingin menyampaikan keberadaan ataupun tidak keberadaannya sesuatu. Nah, contoh, for example, Indah, come on, read it.
Sorry. There is a driver on the school bus.
Okay. What is the meaning,
Sabab.
Indah?
Coba apa?
Artinya Indah coba bisa satu-satu. Come on. I will guide you.
Ada supir.
Ya.
Supir di bis.
Di bis. Ya,
Di
oke.
bis.
Di bis. Ada supirnya di bis.
Di
Betul.
sekolah.
Bis. Oke. Next, Indah. Come on. Read it.
There is not a driver on the school bus.
What is the meaning?
Ada supirnya.
Oke.
Hilang,
sudah.
dia turun.
Oke. Indah, can you identify?
Dia turun.
Oke. Jadi Indah bisa mengidentifikasi apa perbedaan penggunaan there is dengan there isn't? Can you?
Tidak ada. Tidak tahu. Tidak ada supir.
Saya, Sir.
Oke, Adel, come on.
Kalau not itu yang DP supir tidak ada.
Oke. That's right. Kalau menggunakan kata sesuatu yang tidak ada, maka disebut dengan there isn't. Kalau sesuatu yang berada, maka disebut there is. Let's move to the next example. May, come on. Can you read it for us, May?
There are apples on the bus.
Basket.
Come on, repeat once again. May.
And there are not
Apples.
They are not.
there are not any apples on the bus.
There aren't any apples on the basket. Basket, yeah. May, can you identify May? What is the difference? There are and there are not, or there are?
There pardon, sir?
Come on. May.
There are apples on the basket.
Okay.
And
It means.
it means ada banyak apel di dalam keranjang.
Okay. The next.
Tidak ada apel di dalam keranjang.
Okay. Next. This is formative form. Jadi ini anak-anakku sekalian adalah bentuk dari penggunaan rumusnya. Tapi anak-anakku tadi dari menggunakan contohnya, menyebutkan bendanya, based on the picture, I'm sure that you have been identified. Next, for negative form, yeah. Okay, let's practice. Yuyun.
Yeah.
How you say in English?
There is
Based
a
on-
book.
Okay, there is a book, and then
There are some books.
there are some books. Okay, let's check. Okay, next, Olan.
There are two ants.
No,
There
no.
is And
It is flies.
oh, flies.
Flies, not
Come
ant.
on. Yeah.
There are 2 flies. I think
Okay.
Description.
there is a fly.
That's right. Okay. Once again, Nur. Come on.
Okay, there is a boy sit on the chair.
Okay, there is a boy sit on the table, in the chair. Next.
There is not a boy sit on the chair.
Okay, there isn't or there is a boy sit on the chair. Okay. Next. Ibu Arniati.
Yes, sir.
Come on, Arniati.
There are vegetables in the bag.
Okay, there are vegetables in the bag.
There aren't vegetables in the bag.
Okay, there aren't vegetables
In the
in the
bag.
bag. Okay. Okay. Student, we are going to make some groups. And then the next you will identify what things do you found on the picture. Let's choose your friends. You have to make a partner. Okay, I give you 1 minute to choose your partner. Come on. Okay.
Mahendra, you have 10 minutes more.
Okay. Have you find your friends? Okay. Let's do our activity 1. Okay, I will show you the picture and then you will identify what do you find on the picture. Okay. Adele, can you answer for us? Number 1.
Sorry, sir.
Can you
Wait.
see it?
Yeah.
Okay, come
There
on.
are,
Answer for us.
There
There are.
in the picture. Wait, I count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. True, sir.
Okay, that's right. True. Come on. Next, Arniati, number 2.
True.
True. Can you read it?
There is a cat on a chair.
Okay, there is a cat on the chair. It is okay?
Yes, it's
Right.
true.
Okay. That's true. Okay, come on. Nur, number 3.
There is a woman standing behind a sofa. It's
Okay.
true.
It's true. Okay, that's right. Come on. Dian.
Yes. There aren't any cups on the table.
Okay. False. There are some. Okay, that's right. Come on. The next, Indah, number 5.
There are some books under coffee table.
Okay.
True.
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 There are some
Books.
under the coffee table. That's right. Okay. Come on, next. Siapa yang belum?
Yes, sir.
Hasra, come on.
Yeah. There is a
Next
small
number.
chair in front of the coffee table. True.
Okay, it's true or false?
Yeah, true, sir.
True, that's right. Okay, there is a small chair. Next. Siapa yang belum?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you. Olan.
There aren't any children in the living room. False, sir.
Okay. False. Okay.
Yeah.
Why you are say false, Olan?
Because there is a child on the living room.
Okay, that's right. It's okay. Next. Siapa yang belum? Come on.
Me.
Okay, next, May. I know you
Number?
are there.
What number, sir?
8.
Number 8.
Number 8. Okay.
There are some flowers in front of a man.
Okay. It's true or
False.
false, May?
False.
Why you are say false, May?
Because the flowers behind of a man.
Okay, that's right. You see in the picture. Next. Siapa yang belum?
Me, sir.
Okay, come on, Yuyun. I know you are.
There is a fan in the picture. Yes, true.
Okay. True. Where is the fan? Can you show us?
Itu di atas itu.
Okay, it's hang out. That's right. Next, last. Siapa yang belum? Terakhir, last one. Everybody? Can you answer to number 10?
There is a small dog next to a chair.
Okay, it's true or false?
Not
False.
a dog, it's a cat.
False. That's right. Because on the picture, only one.
Just a cat.
Just a cat. That's right, May. You are great. Okay. My student, the next, you will do your activities. I will divide it you into 4 groups.
5 minutes more.
Oke. Jadi anak-anakku setelah mengidentifikasi ini bersama-sama kita, selanjutnya adalah anak-anakku akan mengidentifikasi ini secara berkelompok, dibagi ke dalam 4 kelompok. Oke, I give you time and then you do. Oke, saya kasih waktu 1 menit bagi kelompok. Oke, it's okay. Finish. Next. You will do it with
Finish.
your groups. Oke, finish.
Yes.
Next presenter. Okay, for the next meeting, you will present this because we don't have enough time today. Maybe we will continue in the next meeting. Okay, before we end today our lesson, I want to ask something. What did you learn today? Indah. Indah, come on. I know you. Indah.
Belajar there is dan there are, sir.
There are, oke. Kemudian next, bagaimana dengan Dian? Bisa mengidentifikasi Dian dari gambar-gambar yang sudah diberikan? Identify? No? No. How about you, Nur?
Sir?
Okay. Can you identify what is the function? What is how we use it? Okay. I will conclude it that that today we have been learned about there is and there are. It means if we want to say something exists, to get information to someone, things or animal, we say there is or there are. Okay. For the next meeting, we will more practice about this. You will make a conversation. You will make sentences about this material. Okay. Any questions so far before we end it lesson today?
Clear, sir.
Clear. It's okay. Everybody? It's clear?
It's clear, sir.
Okay. Eka, come on. Why you are just silent? Can I help you? Eka.
Eka, please.
Okay. Okay. Our student, I think enough for today. Thank you very much for the nice attention. Let's more practice about this material. I will meet you. Let's see you in the next meeting. Okay. Thank you very much.
See you, sir.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.